The vision of Airflight started with bringing people out and flying, being a pilot on your own for a day. Really about catching that freedom that most of us have had through our youth. When you're building or designing, you really want it to be perfect, right? You can only do that if you go through a lot of designs. The BigRep's volume made it possible for us to build an actual model and see where should we change the lines. I think we went through the whole design process from start to finish in 3 months. This is why 3D printing is super nice. You can see kind of all the awkward shapes, right? And it has different planes. I think it was 5 times more expensive to get this mold milled out. Airflight uses pre-preg, which is impregnated carbon fiber, and that needs an oven to cure, and that puts some demands on the material that you're using for the mold, because you don't want any distortion. We are actually able to do it with a cost-effective material like the high-temp CF from BigRep. The combination between 3D printing and carbon fiber is very unique, because carbon fiber, you're actually able to make really complex shapes before it goes into the oven, and the same you have with 3D printing. So when you have a big volume like the BigRep, you're actually able to make super complex shapes without the need of expensive equipment. This method is very fast, cost-effective, and we can do a lot of iterations. That's where 3D printing and carbon fiber are made for each other.